Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'm here today with the Echo Spot. So this is the brand new model by Amazon and it supports the Alexa Plus voice as well. So just looking at this product, it is a 2.8 inch screen. It is a touch screen, so you can touch it, access the settings that way, but you will be using voice control for most of the things when you are using this device. The device itself is quite small. It does look quite modern as well. On the top it has 3 buttons, so you've got the volume buttons for increasing, decreasing, and you've got the mute button there. So if you wanted to mute the microphone, that's what you do there. It has no camera and it can't stream videos either. So it is a sort of side table type alarm clock, and you have to think about the functionality you're going to use for this. If you are going to use it just as an alarm clock and a small speaker, then that's fair enough. If you plan on doing more with it, then you are going to be extremely limited, and you should be looking at the Echo Show products rather than the Echo Spot. It does have the new Alexa Plus, so when you talk to it, it is slightly more conversational and it is better than the old Alexa standard product offering. But that isn't difficult to say considering how limited the old version was. So if I ask it what is the weather, so I've named this product Ziggy. So Ziggy, what's the weather today? And as you can see, it is also got some issues with the mic. I found that it is hit and miss whether it will pick up the mic or not. Ziggy, Alexa, it doesn't want to respond at all, as you can see. So it isn't a product that I can actually recommend, as the mic issues are really frustrating. That when I'm close up like this and I ask it for something, it'll be hit and miss whether it picks it up. Sometimes from across the room it will pick it up, but you would expect better from this. So let's give it another go. Ziggy. As you can see, nothing at all. So what I've found is when this happens, you have to unplug it and plug it back in, and then it will show what's happening. This is one of the reasons why I can't recommend this product, and also the limited functionality. So let me just try unplugging it and plug it back in and see if it becomes a bit more responsive. So I've shouted at the device a couple of times and it seems to have come back to life. So let's give that another go. Ziggy, and as you can see, it's lit up. What's the weather today?
It's a sunny day in San Francisco. Currently 19 degrees with a high of 23 and a low of 14.
So I am sitting in San Francisco today and it is a nice day, so it's got that right. And let's see what else you can say to me.
San Francisco's looking lovely today. What's your favorite thing to do in the city when the weather's this nice?
So as you can see, the Alexa Plus offering is more conversational than the old version. So that's a big improvement. But as I say, the fact that you can't use this limited screen for anything in terms of any kind of streaming does make it not a product which has the sort of maximum functionality which one would want from a smart device. The fact that I can't see my Ring cameras on there and I can't stream from either Prime or Netflix or any of those kinds of services does mean that you are limited to having it just as an alarm clock. As you can see there, I've just muted it and it has the red line underneath. And my overall suggestion would be that you ditch this product and look to the Echo Show instead, as it's not a product that I'd be able to recommend. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.